Non-fungible tokens have made their absolute presence in the market and will continue to do so in the future too. Now, when NFT has a lot of demand, it's the best time to learn more about it and how easily you can make money out of it. The main thing is how to create 3D NFTs for free. In today's video, I will show you the free way of creating NFTs using Canva, but before that, let me tell you a brief overview of what NFT is and why people are so much into it these days. NFTs are actually digital assets that are interchangeable on the internet. These assets are like gaming arts and other virtual assets that can be exchanged using cryptocurrencies during the blockchain technology. Another great thing about NFTs is that the users can protect their personal information related to identity using NFTs and can store and control them with flexibility. So do you want to learn how to create your own 3D NFTs and sell them on platforms like OpenSea? If yes, then make sure to watch the video until the end because I will teach you step by step how you can create free 3D characters and how you can edit that character as well. Now there are people who would like to know the method to create these NFTs by free method. There are several ways for artistic people to use complex software too, but for the people who want to create them easily with a free tool, this video is for them. If you're not familiar with Canva, then I will tell you how you can use this open software for creating amazing NFTs for your next project. Write Canva on Google and click on the website link. You will be directed to the home page of Canva. Now first of all, log in or sign up freely with your email. After doing so, you will be able to use features and download your art. In the home page, you see that you can do a lot of things like creating posters, social media posts, YouTube thumbnails, channel arts, logos, and even you can edit the video in here. The best thing about Canva is that you can use a lot of free templates. That said, to start creating your very own 3D NFT, you first have to click on the Create a Design button available at the top right of your screen. Once you do that, a drop-down menu shows up that has multiple options such as video, presentation, etc. From there, you want to go to the bottom of the menu and click the plus button that says Custom Size. Another menu would pop up asking the custom width and height for your NFT, and since NFTs essentially are squares, make sure that the width and height that you enter are the same. So let's enter 1600 for example. You're now going to click on Create and a new page will open for you to get started with. On this new page, you have a blank, empty canvas to work with. So first of all, you want to click on your canvas and give it a baseline color. If you don't want just a plain color, you're free to add an appropriate background from the templates available. Point to note, there are many free backgrounds available. At this point, for a basic NFT, you just want to go to Elements and search for whatever kind of NFT you're looking for. I'm going to enter person, and you can see that there are a lot of different images and graphics available. You can click on photos if you want to take a look at the royalty-free images. You can similarly look for the graphic photos, videos, and audios, whatever you like. You can also upload your own photos if you like. Now the purpose for today's video is to learn to be able to create 3D NFTs, and for that, go to the search bar and look for 3D characters. As soon as you hit enter, a bunch of characters show up. You can choose any character you want, and once again, there are many amazing free character designs available. Once you choose the character that you like, you want to place it on your canvas. Now what you're going to do is click on your character, expand it, and place it right in the center of your canvas. However, if the character you choose is just a part of your base design, you're free to place it wherever you like. To insert more characters, just go back to the Elements section and search for any other type of character or image you're looking for. Guys, be creative with this and have fun. You can always add a bunch of lines, circles, frames, and designs to further enhance your NFT. So for that, let's just look for a few different lines that I can add. So I'm going to go to the search box and type lines. Now you can see different kinds of stripes and lines. You can use these lines to add a border around your main character, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. There are loads of options available. You just have to enter the right keywords and a lot of options are going to pop up. Another really cool thing about Canva is that once you have chosen your image or graphic, you have a lot of editing options available as well. You can edit the colors, crop, flip, and animate the image. So once you're satisfied with how Canvas looks, your baseline design is ready. At this point, you're just going to click on the duplicate page icon available at the top of your canvas, and you're going to get a duplicate of your NFT. Now in order to create a collection, you're going to go back in your Elements section and search for some other unique features that you can add to that one baseline NFT and make multiple variants. For example, you can add halo. For that, just search halo and a bunch of different designs would show up. Once you figure out what would suit your NFT the best, just click on it and add it to the duplicate of your baseline NFT. You can always adjust and resize. So just like that, you can keep duplicating your baseline NFT and add unique features to it and create an entire NFT collection. In addition to that, you are free to introduce more characters as well. However, to be honest, I don't recommend adding characters in the beginning of your collection. Rather, you should establish your collections first and then add characters. At the end of the day, the choice is all yours. Once you are done creating your NFTs, you are gonna click on the top toolbar at the center and you can name your collection. I'll use Bling Bits, and then you're just gonna click on download. Once you do that, a drop-down menu appears with loads of options for download. So you can download this in JPG, PNG, PDF, standard, or PDF print, which totally depends on where you are going to mint your NFT collection and the different formats that they are accepting. So you can download according to the formats that are convenient. In general, for a lot of people, PDF is the most convenient way to download their NFTs. So once your NFT has been downloaded, you're going to open it to see the quality of the design. And as you can see, the quality of the design you just created is of high quality. In addition to that, it only took you a few minutes with following a few simple steps to be able to create your very own 3D NFT collection in the easiest way possible. Not just 3D, but simple NFTs can be easily made using Canva. Canva has made it possible to excel in social life for a lot of users who cannot use some complex platforms. That said, the last step is to visit your preferred NFT minting and selling platform and connect your Ethereum wallet. If you're not sure how to do that, don't be shy. Ask me in the comment section down below, and I will make a separate video to explain how it's done. And of course, don't forget to promote your content using social media and Discord groups. Thank you so much for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel if this video was of any help to you. See you next time.